happening in the state of Tamil Nadu. Currently, all eyes are going to be on that press conference of the CPI and the VCK. Let's get you the breaking news input that's now coming in. This is a blockbuster backing for Vijay after days of suspense. The official support letter that has come in. There are two more MLAs who have added to Vijay's tally. Two CPI MLAs have now given a letter. CPI has also handed over this letter. We're also getting to know that both the left parties, the CPI and the CPM, are ready to back Vijay, and there's going to be a press conference. So right now, decks are cleared. Maybe the numbers are also firming up strongly. Those are pictures of celebrations of the TVK cadre. We saw the women cadre there with their whistles. They were absolutely jubilant. Going across to Pratibha. Pratibha, you are outside the TVK headquarters, and we've been seeing ecstatic scenes there. TVK cadre are already celebrating. The focus is also on that press conference that's going to take place. And we know one of the top leaders of the TVK is also present there. Take us through the latest updates.
So this is a very big update coming in. CPI giving its letter of support, which means that the numbers are adding up, which means that decks are getting cleared for Vijay to take oath as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. This is a very big update because over the last few hours, there were questions on whether these parties will support or not and what are the conditions that they will put forward. But the letter suggests that it could be an unconditional support to Vijay. So a lot expected in the next few hours. As of now, that suspense may just be ending. In just a short while from now, we are going to have the press briefing from the three parties, the CPI, the CPM and the VCK, extending their support to the TVK. With that, Vijay is going to reach that finish line of 118. He is going to have the requisite numbers that the governor was asking for.
And now, I'll have to stop you there because we have quick breaking news updates now coming in. The latest information that we have for our viewers is that Vijay may go to the TVK headquarters and to office to thank the parties, to the CPI office, beg your pardon. So Vijay may go to the CPI office to thank the parties for support. So another big update coming in. The VCK chief is also reaching the office, and he will also hand over a letter to CTR Nirmal. So right now, going across to my colleague Meghna, who has the letter that the CPI has handed over to TVK's to the TVK leader. Meghna, take us through the details of the letter.
Well, this is exactly what Vijay wanted. With the CPI officially on board, I'm going to show you the letter. You can expect the CPM to follow suit as well as the VCK. The three of them en masse, it is going to be expected, will now be backing Vijay and his party. So this is the unconditional letter of support because a lot has been said about the pound of flesh that the left parties may have want. However, this letter says it's an unconditional letter of support under the instructions of our party secretary, the Legislative Party of Communist Party of India, of Tamil Nadu Assembly, on behalf of our two members of the Legislative Assembly, do hereby convey our unconditional support to the TVK under the leadership of its president and Legislative Party leader, C. Joseph Vijay, for the purpose of formation of the government in the state of Tamil Nadu. This support is extended pursuant to the results of General Assembly elections held to the states and is being conveyed in the interest of a stable, secular, democratic governance for the people of Tamil Nadu. So essentially, they have, it appears, put in that rider that do not want to ally with the BJP in any capacity. But with this, it's going to be significant. It's 2 out of the 6 that he's likely to get from this block, which is going to be the CPI, the CPIM and the VCK, which is expected to follow suit as well. So with that, Vijay was short of 10. He's got 5 coming in from the Congress, and if he gets these 6, then he sails home safe.
All right, going across to Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan, who's also with us. Vijay right now, he seems to be having the numbers. He's also set to go to the CPI office to thank the parties who've backed him, Madhav. Now all eyes are going to be on the Lok Bhavan. What's the latest that you're gathering? Because we had information that there was no time for the meet, like there was no time fixed from the Lok Bhavan. What's the latest you're gathering? Okay, we'll connect with Madhav in just a moment from now, but quickly giving you a recap of all the latest updates that are coming in. Number one, the CPI has handed over its letter of support. This is an unconditional. There are no conditions there. The letter has been given. CPM and VCK also may follow suit. Sources are telling us that Vijay may head to the CPI office to thank the parties who are backing him. So the numbers are firming up. There are celebrations outside the TVK headquarters. Madhav, if you can hear me, the focus now is going to be on the Lok Bhavan. What is the latest you're gathering from your sources? What's happening there? Madhav, if you can hear me. Back-to-back developments coming in. Focus is going to be on the Lok Bhavan. What's the latest?
Yes, I can hear you now. Sorry, the audio is quite poor because you can just imagine the kind of crowds behind me. And let me quickly just show you what's happening. It's all happening here outside the Raj Bhavan. Of course, Vijay is going to be expected to be visiting the left parties. But I think it's pretty much game over now as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, because the three parties whose decision was expected at 4:30, now with the letters of support being given to the TVK from VCK, CPI and CPM, now pretty much we can say the numbers game, which of course Raj Bhavan was demanding, that condition has at the moment been fulfilled. Will there be more twists in the tail? We don't know, but at least in terms of the big moment about Vijay being in that position to ask for the swearing-in ceremony to take place, at least as far as that is concerned, we know that at the moment that those numbers of 118 Vijay will certainly have, and he will certainly be coming this evening to stake claim at the Lok Bhavan. Appointment not being confirmed at this point of time, but it's a massive development. It was a huge amount of will they, won't they that we've been seeing for the past 24 hours as far as these three political parties are concerned, the CPI, the CPM, the VCK, and all these political parties which typically function as a block of 6 MLAs all through. In fact, even when they were with the earlier DMK Congress alliance, now of course also functioning as one for all practical purposes. All of these three parties are expected to get a cabinet berth each in reward for their support at this crucial time in government formation, and that's something we can tell our viewers as well. You can expect to see the left, even if they are not in power anywhere in the country, they are expected to have 2 ministers here in Tamil Nadu if this is accepted and the governor does allow for a swearing-in ceremony and then subsequently a floor test. So that's where it's at the moment as far as Chennai is concerned. A huge amount of suspense over the last 72 hours following Congress and TVK coming together that now appears to be drawing to an end. Will there be more twists in the tail? We can't really say, because the stranger things that have happened, like for instance DMK and ADMK coming together, something that we never thought was possible, was also being worked on parallelly. But at this point of time, it appears that Vijay has decimated not just the DMK in the elections, he's also decimated his alliance by taking away his alliance partners, and that certainly credit will have to be given to Vijay, for whom this will be seen as a huge victory if and when he is sworn in. For the moment, of course, one thing that is very clear is that for Vijay this is a huge moment, because he's been able to circumvent the huge amount of hurdles that were, if one can put it that way, that were coming his way. Of course, Congress says that there was some kind of deliberate sort of misuse of governor's office that was being done by the centre through the BJP. So that's the allegation that the Congress has been levelling. Vijay's TVK, however, has been very guarded with its words. It's chosen its words very carefully, choosing to work the phones, work the back rooms, and of course meet and consult with the potential allies instead. And that's exactly what they appear to have done. With those letters of support now being given, all decks appear to be cleared as far as Vijay and his process of government formation is concerned.
Interrupting you there for just a moment, we have a big update now coming in that the VCK virtual meeting has also ended, and the VCK chief will also be handing over the letter of support to the TVK, which means that now the elusive 6 are now with Vijay, and he has crossed over that 118 mark. Remember earlier today, Thiruvalluvan had said that we will decide tomorrow. Tomorrow is when that decision will be taken, but a lot seems to have changed over just the last few hours. The big update coming in is that not just the CPI and CPM, but even the VCK will very shortly be handing over the letter of support to TVK. Dharini is getting us that update, and Dharini, this means that now Vijay will reach the 118 mark comfortably. The VCK until some time ago said that we'll make a decision tomorrow, but now all three parties are going to submit their letter of support to Vijay.
Well, remember, Times Now is the first news channel to break that Left and VCK will be extending their support to Tamilak Vetri Kalagam. We said this around 10 a.m. in the morning. And now, one party after another, they're giving their letters of support to Vijay. In fact, earlier we saw CTR Nirmal Kumar, the Joint General Secretary of TVK, collecting the letter of support from CPI. And following this, we are expecting CTR to collect the letters of support from VCK and CPM as well. In fact, right now, I'm standing in front of the CPM office here in Chennai, and there is a lot of buzz in the location here. You know, there's a lot of media presence and police presence as well. So, of course, Vijay has become the ultimate winner in this numbers game because, you know, with the support of CPI, CPIM and VCK, now Vijay will be able to comfortably hit the majority mark, and he can easily go to the governor and stake claim to form the government. And since today morning, suspense has been looming as to who these parties will support. But around 10 a.m. itself, we broke it that, you know, these three parties are likely to support TVK only, and now it has become a reality. One party after the other, they're all giving their letters of support to TVK, and in a short while from now, we can also expect Mr. Vijay to meet the governor. Vijay has already sought appointment from Honorable Governor Rajendra Arlekar. So anytime now, you know, in the next coming hours, we can expect Vijay to meet the governor and stake claim to form the government with these additional letters of support.
Okay, so it clearly looks like the decks are cleared for Vijay to be the Chief Minister. But what is the understanding between the parties? The letter very clearly says it's an unconditional support, but we are told that there have also been talks of cabinet berths. Shomit is getting us this information. Shomit, what are the details of what the left parties have demanded from TVK? What is the understanding that has been reached? All right, we don't have Shomit with us. We'll try and reconnect that line. But Madhav, very clearly, the power sharing agreement has also been finalized, and all the finer details have also been finalized, clearing the decks for Vijay to take oath as the Chief Minister of the state.
Well, one thing is very clear that at this point of time, the numbers, the letters of support have been given. The numbers appear to be adding up as far as Vijay and Congress's alliance is concerned, and they are clearly through as far as the number game is concerned. The big question at this point of time, of course, is what really the deal has been, and we can tell our viewers that it is confirmed that the three parties, the CPI, CPM, and of course the VCK, will be getting one cabinet berth each for their role, the crucial role at that in terms of supporting this particular government. And that really is the deal. In fact, it is a huge moment of relief for Vijay. Vijay is going to be visiting the left party's offices, we understand, in a short while from now. And there he is going to be personally thanking the left party leaders for their support. Remember, all of this has also happened with the intervention at the central level, with the top level leaders of the Congress party speaking to leaders of the CPI, the CPM, and then subsequently meetings taking place. These directions have clearly come in from the national capital as well to the state units of the two left parties, and it's after that that this decision has been taken. So clearly the left parties have been very clear in articulating their point of view. They have believed, or they have said that they believe the single largest party, as per what they are calling the constitutional precedent, should have come in or should have been called in to form the government in the past, and they felt that the governor's office was being misused in not allowing for Vijay to actually come in and take in that particular office. So that really is the position that has been taken by and large as far as the left parties are concerned, and along with the TVK, given that these three parties typically function together, they work together, they generally raise issues together and work together hugely as far as their floor coordination is concerned, even though they've been part of a larger alliance of the DMK and the Congress in the past. So herein as well, these three parties functioning together and giving out their support as far as Vijay's alliance is concerned. With those letters being given, is there any other possibility apart from Vijay being sworn in as the Chief Minister? But it's all really happening over here at the Lok Bhavan, where the preparations are in full swing. A huge amount of barricading as well as security being beefed up, and really, of course, preparing for Vijay to come in over here and really stake claim this evening at 6 p.m. is when we understand Vijay has sought time, but it is of course a likely possibility that point of time that he could be granted appointment, but no official word yet that's coming from the Lok Bhavan as to what's going to be happening.
Okay, and Madhav, very similar scenes like you're showing us from Lok Bhavan that we're seeing right outside Vijay's residence as well. Huge crowds have gathered. The fans of TVK, the fans of Vijay waiting to catch a glimpse of him. Huge security barricading here as well. Security presence here at the spot. In a short while from now, of course, as the confirmation comes in from the Lok Bhavan, Vijay will be leaving from here. You can hear the whistles here on the streets in Chennai. Again, it's that moment of whistle powder as confirmation comes in that Vijay does have the numbers. In the latest breaking update now coming in, we spoke about what the CPI and CPM are getting. Big breaking news coming in that the VCK is also going to hand over the letter of support. Shomit is getting us that big information, and Shomit, this is very, very crucial. Now it's the home run clearly for Vijay. CPI done, CPM done, and now VCK as well shortly will be handing over the letter of support.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. It is shortly expected that VCK chief will also be extending his support, and he will be, handing over the letter to the, CTR Nirmal Kumar. He already collected the letter at the CPA office, and he left from this place. And very short while from now, he is expected that he will be meeting the VCK chief, and he will be collecting the letter, and then he will be heading back to the, Vijay's residence to hand over these letters back to Vijay. Is what as of now we are understanding. Back to you.
Okay, all right. So very shortly, it's all going to happen. And with that letter of support, Vijay will be headed to the Lok Bhavan, after which it's only a matter of time when the announcement will be made on when the swearing-in ceremony will be taking place and when Vijay will take oath as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. A moment that the TVK supporters have been very, very eagerly waiting for. The biggest team of reporters on ground, on times now, getting you credible information, everything happening in just a few hours from now. All of it is going to change in Tamil Nadu. We keep you updated.